You know that old phrase, a tiger never changes its stripes, meaning a person can't really change who they are naturally, right? Do you think people can change? I mean, really change, not grow or learn or develop, but change. I don't. So as someone who works with True Colors and really gets into personality development and typology, I believe that people don't actually change who they really are, but through experiences, learning, trauma, growth, the full range of human emotion, we become more of who we had the capability to be. We unlock parts of us through different experiences, and then we get to be more. Those things were always there inside us. We just needed that person, that relationship, that class, that terrible event, that loss, that joy to bring it out of us. So, no, people don't really change. They only become more of who they have the capability to be. So, are you ready to unlock everything that you have inside of you to be the best version of yourself? Yes? Excellent. That's what True Colors is here for. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We don't just stop at level 1 and finding out if you're a blue, an orange, a green, or a gold. Absolutely not. We build upon it. That's how we create those moments and those experiences to unlock your full potential and let your true colors shine. You see what we did there? I am so excited for you. Let's dive deep, unlock your full potential, and find out how you can not change, but level up.